you. One good choice can change what you do. If you've been stuck, let the old ways slide. Take what you need and walk with pride. Get the books, get the herbs, get your hair right. Build a little piece into your whole life. Carry on, keep your heart light. American Healer website. Find your guide tonight. Books, get the herbs, get your hair right. Learn a little more, then you move right. Carry on, you're doing alright. Put the good things close and step into the daylight. You don't need a miracle dressed in glitter. You need a plan and a reason to stick with it. A quiet room, a note beside the water. A promise to yourself you won't postpone tomorrow. Ask your questions, take your time deciding. Keep your roots strong while the world keeps driving.